clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
You would actually be surprised about how much of my business and how much a lot of marketers' businesses are done straight through Facebook. So again, we're going to be going to Facebook for this next strategy, which is learning how to trade traffic. Now, if you don't have a Facebook account currently, you need to create one, even if you're just going to use it for what I'm about to show you. So when you go to Facebook, what you want to do is you want to go to the Facebook search bar at the top, and then you just want to search for ClickBank testimonials. You're going to see all these groups here, and the first two have about 10,000 members in them. So just go to the bigger groups here. You're going to go to a Facebook group called ClickBanking Testimonials. Now, what ClickBank Testimonials means, or what ClickBanking means, is it basically means trading traffic. Now, trading traffic used to be referred to as ad swaps, and that's basically where you go. So you get in ClickBanking deals with a couple people, and basically one person sends first, and then the other person returns afterwards. Let me take you to this guy who I actually haven't gotten back to yet. But basically, Domus G, he likes to be referred to. Domus G, we've traded traffic back and forth many times. And basically the way it works is that one trading partner sends traffic first, and then the other person sends traffic in return. Okay, that's what's known as ClickBanking. So you can agree to a certain amount of clicks. Like you could say, okay, I'm going to agree to 200 clicks, or I'm going to agree to 100 clicks. Okay, so you find somebody, you're going to say that I'm going to deliver 100 clicks to you. Then you would send that traffic, that 100 clicks, to your trading partner first. But the beauty of ClickBanking is that you're allowed to send that traffic over time. So you can literally send 5 clicks per day, 4 clicks per day, 10 clicks per day, however many clicks per day that you can generate until you get to the amount of clicks that you agreed upon. Then after you've reached the amount of clicks that you've agreed upon, then you message that person back and say, hey, I finished sending 100 clicks to your page. Here's my return link. And then you give them the link to your landing page. Now, of course, to do this effectively, you need to track all of your traffic. And the best way to track traffic is to have a good traffic tracking service. The best traffic tracking service that most people are using is what's known as ClickMagick. I'm going to leave a link below this video. It also does really cool things, like it's able to manage your traffic for you with rotators, and I talk about that more in the coaching program if you guys decide to upgrade, which I highly recommend. But basically you would just click a link here, and then you would create a new link, and you would just make sure that that link was tracked so that you could actually tell when you reached 100 clicks like you agreed upon with your partners, you know that you've reached that amount of clicks. Like here I've reached like 200 clicks with Faisal, so I know that I've reached 200 clicks. I would go back to Faisal and say, hey Faisal, I reached 200 clicks, here's my return link, and I would give him my link in return. So ClickBanking is a great way to do it. There's also what's known as ClickBanking with a link rotator, and that's kind of an advanced strategy that I share to those of you that decide to upgrade into the coaching program, where basically you can be trading with 20 different people at one time and getting traffic to all your trading partners and automating it so that you don't have to manage anything, and so that basically all of your traffic is going to be delivered to the right subscriber at the right time based on their experience with clicking on your links in the past. Now that's a little bit more confusing, and it's a little bit more advanced, which is why I reserve it for my coaching program. But at the very least, if you're going to get started with trading traffic, I highly recommend that you get connected to these ClickBank testimonials groups where you can contact people asked to trade and basically send traffic over time until you get to the amount of clicks that you agreed upon, so that you can get free traffic back to your funnel that you don't have to pay for.